Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. In our last video, we learned question number 1 to 6. Now let me see question number 7 of exercise 2.5. So question number 7 is that 3 in bracket t minus 3 is equal to 5 in bracket 2t plus 1. So in this sum, t is a variable. So we have to find the value of t. So first of all, in this we will remove the bracket. So let me start, friends. So if you remove the bracket, so 3 is multiplied with these both. So 3 multiplied by t. So it's a 3t. 3 multiplied by t. So it's a 3t minus 3 3 9 equal to 5 multiplied by 2. So this 5 is multiplied with these both terms. This 2t and 1. 5 multiplied by 2t. 5 is the 10t. Plus 5 is the 5. So now this becomes a simple variable equation, linear equation. Now same things, whatever we are doing in the previous examples. Let's all the variable terms take together. So 3t as it is. So this 10t transferred to left side, so it becomes minus 10t is equal to plus 5. This minus 9 transferred to right hand side, so it becomes plus 9. So friends, 3t minus 10t, so it's a minus 7t. So therefore, minus 7t is equal to 5 plus 9. So it's a 14. So therefore, t is equal to 14 divided by minus 7. So friends, we know that 7 to the 14. So answer is 2. But here minus sign is there. So it's a minus 2. So here we got the value of t is equal to minus 2. Now let me see question number 8. So question number 8, variable is a y. So first of all, let me remove the all brackets. Okay, so let me start. 15 multiplied by y, so it's 15y minus 15 4 is 16. So friends, now here 2 is there, not only 2 but here minus 2 is there. So minus 2 is multiplied with y, so minus 2y, and minus 2 is multiplied with minus 9, so 2 9 is 18, and minus minus become plus 18. So here 5y plus 5 6 30 is equal to 0. So friends, here let's take all the terms having the variable together and find the value of y. Therefore, 15y minus 2y plus 5y minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, so here 15y and 5y both are plus. 15 plus 5, so 25 minus 2y. Here 60 is minus, 18 is plus, and 30 is also plus. So these both are plus. So just simply add these two. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 3, 4 is equal to 0. Now friends, 20y minus 2y. 20y minus 2y is equal to 18y. And here, minus plus become minus. So 60 minus 48. 60 minus 48. It's a 12. And sign of bigger. So 60 is bigger. So minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, 18y, this minus 12 transfer to right hand side, so it becomes plus 12. Therefore, y is equal to 12 by 18. Now, we have to cut this both. Let it both are in table of 6. 6 to the 6 to the 6 to the 12, 6 to the 18. So y is equal to 2 by 3. So here we got the answer. Y is equal to 2 by 3. Let me see question number 9. So question number 9, bracket 5z minus 7 minus 2 in bracket 9z minus 11 is equal to 4, 8z minus 13 minus 7. So in this variable is z. So we have to find the value of z in this sum. So first of all, let me remove the bracket. So therefore, so 3 is multiplied with this 4. So 3 5 are 15z minus 3 7 are 21 minus 2 9 are 18z. So minus minus become plus 2 11 are 22 is equal to 4 8 are 32 z minus 13 4 are friends 13 4 are 52 minus 7. Now, first of all, what we have to do now? Next step, let's take all the terms having the variables to the same side. Therefore, 15z minus 18z. So this 32z transferred to left hand side, so it becomes minus 32z. Friends, now let me write down right hand side all the terms that are constant. So first of all, minus 52 as it is, minus 17 as it is. This 22 transferred to this side, so it becomes minus 22, and this minus 21 goes to this side, will become plus 21. Now let me simplify this and find the value of z. Then, so these both are minus, so minus minus become plus. 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 is equal to, this one is minus, this one is, these all three are minus, so simply addition of this all. So 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 and 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 carry is 9, minus 91 plus 21. Now, friends, 15z minus 50z. So this one is bigger. So answer can be the sign of minus, and 50 minus 15. So it becomes 35. So 35z is equal to here minus plus become minus 91 minus 20. So 1 minus 1 it's a 0. 9 minus 2 it's a 7. And it's a minus 70 because 91 is the bigger. So 91 having a minus sign, so we have to put here minus 7. Now simplify this. So z is equal to minus 70 divided by minus 35. So friends, we know that 35 is a 70. So answer is 2. And this both minus minus sign is cancelled. Or also we can say that minus minus become plus. So here we got the answer. Z is equal to 2. So this way we can find the solution. Now, let me see question number 10. So, question number 10 says that 0.25 in bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 in bracket 10f minus 9. So, let me simplify this. So, this 0.25 is multiplied with these both numbers that are in the bracket. So, 0.25 multiplied by 4. Friends, first of all, multiplication of these two, 0.25 multiplied by 4. So first of all, as we do the simple multiplication, first of all forget this decimal, only 25 4. So only for multiply 25 multiplied by 4. So 25 4s are, we know that 25 4s are is 100. And in answer, you put the decimal after 2 digits. So what? 2 decimal over here. So its answer is 1. Okay, so 1f, multiply this 4, so 1f minus, say 25 is a 75, we know that 25 is a 75, and after 2 decimal we have to put decimal, after 2 digits we have to put decimal, so it's a 0.75, 0.75 is equal to, now simply 10 5s are 50, 50 and 1 and 2. After 2 digits, we have to put decimal. So it's a 0.5 f minus 5 and 45. 45. So after 2 digits, here 2 digits and decimal. So 9 5 are 45. In 45, 2 digits and 2 decimals. So it's a 0.45. Now, simple takes all the terms having the variable together and all the term, constant term, let's them together. So here only f as it is 0.5f transfer to this side, so it becomes minus 0.5f is equal to minus 0.45 plus this minus 0.75 transferred to right hand side, so it becomes plus 0.75. So friends, f minus half f, so it's a half f. One पूरा है उसमें से half f will be cut. Half चला गया तो half is remaining, so it's a 0.5 f is equal to, now this minus plus become minus, so subtraction of this both. So 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 4 3 and 5 0. Now f is equal to 0.30 divided by 0.5. Now we have to simplify this. Okay friends, so we can write like that. If you want to remove this decimal, numerator's decimal 0.30, decimal is there. If you want to remove this decimal, so after decimal 2 digits are there. So divided by 100, so we can write like that, 30 divided by 100. The same as a 0.5. So after decimal, 1 digit is there. So we can write 5 upon 10. This upon 10. Now this 10 is goes to numerator. So directly I am writing that. Okay. Now cancel the zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. So upside what is remaining? 3 1s are 3 and downside 1 5s are 5. So we can write like this one is the answer. Or also you can simplify this by 3 divided by 5. Let's do 3 divided by 5. So 3 is a bigger, so let me put decimal 0 point and 1 point over here. 5 6 are 30. So answer is also we can write f is equal to 0.6. So this way we can solve the equation and find the value of variables. Friends, so we finished our exercise 2.5. Now let me see example number 18. So example number 18, solve x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 3 by 8. So simply friends, what we have to do in this, we have to find the value of x. So this 8 is goes to multiply with x plus 1 and this 2x plus 3 goes to multiply with 3. So this means cross multiply type. This 8 going to here and this 2x plus 1 goes to this side. So like this 8x plus 1, 8 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 3 and 2x plus 3, 3 in bracket 2x plus 3. Then simply you just remove the bracket and find the value of x. So this is our example number 18. Now let me see example number 19. So friends, example number 19 says that present age of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4 and 5, 4 is to 5. Anu's age is 4 while Raj's age is 5 in the ratio, not 4 years or 5 years. We cannot say that 4 years or 5 years. Okay, so we can say that Anu's age, present age is 4x and Raj's present age is 5x. 8 years from now means after 8 years, their age will be 4x plus 8 and Raj's age is 5x plus 8. So let me see. So let's the present age of Anu and Raj is 4x years and 5x years respectively. After 8 years, Anu's age is 4x plus 8 and after 8 years, Raj's age is 5x plus 8. Now let's we take the find ratio. Therefore, the ratio after 8 years, their ratio is given. 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5 is to 6. So 4x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8 is equal to 5 by 6. Now from this equation, you can easily find the value of x. This 6 is goes to this side multiplication with 4x plus 8 and this 5x plus 8 is goes to this side, so it multiply with 5 and you can find the value of x. So you got value of x is equal to 8. From this value, now you have to find the present value of Anu and Raj. So x, here we got x is equal to 8. So Anu's present age is 4x. At the beginning we just guess it. So 4x, so 4 multiplied by 8, so it's a 32 years, and Raj's present year is 5x, so 5 multiplied by 8, so 5 8s are 40 years. So this way we can find the word problems solution with the help of these variables linear equations. So today we finished our lecture over here. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.